In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete opportunity in Salesforce. We'll begin on the Salesforce homepage, move into the opportunities area, create a quick sample opportunity so we have something safe to remove, and then I'll show you the exact steps to delete it. I'll walk you through what each click does and share simple tips along the way so you understand the context without adding any extra steps. From the homepage, start by opening the app launcher, the grid icon in the upper left. If you see an option to expand or open the full view, go ahead and open the advanced view so you can access all your apps and items. In the list of items, find Opportunities and select it. This takes you to your Opportunities workspace, where you can view lists, create new records, and manage existing ones. Next, create a temporary opportunity you can safely delete. Click Add an Opportunity or New, depending on what your button is labeled. In the Opportunity form, enter an opportunity name. For this walkthrough, use a simple placeholder name like Test. Click into the account name field and select the appropriate account from the suggestions. If you're practicing, pick any sample account available to you. Now set the close date. Click the close date field to open the date picker and choose the 31st from the calendar. Enter an amount. Type 100 so we have a clear sample value in the record. If you have a field for a short description or next step, type a brief placeholder such as test to complete the required fields. For the stage, click the drop-down that might currently show None, then select Qualify or the first relevant stage available in your environment. If your layout includes any additional notes or description fields, add Test there as well, so the form has the basic information it needs. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see a confirmation toast that the opportunity was created. Click that confirmation message to open the new opportunity record. Opening the record helps confirm that it saved correctly and gives you a quick look at the details you just entered. Now let's navigate back to a list so we can delete it. Use the List View drop-down near the top area of the Opportunities interface. Look for a small arrow you can click to switch views, and choose All Opportunities. This shows every opportunity you have permission to see, including the new one you just created. Find your test opportunity in the list. On the same row, open the Action menu. It may appear as a down arrow or a small icon with additional actions. From that menu, select Delete. Salesforce will ask you to confirm. Click Delete again to finalize. The opportunity is removed from the list, and you're done. A few quick notes to keep this smooth. You'll need the right permissions to delete opportunities. If you don't see the delete option, your profile or a permission set might restrict deletions. If your organization uses validation rules or required fields, make sure you fill in the fields we touched on: name, account, close date, stage, and amount, so the record saves without errors before you delete it. Also, your labels might look slightly different based on your Salesforce theme or customizations. For example, the button could read New instead of Add an Opportunity, and the stage names can vary by organization. That's normal. Just follow the same placement and purpose of each field and action. And that's the full process. Launch opportunities, create a sample record, open all opportunities, and delete it with a quick confirmation. Follow these steps anytime you need to remove an opportunity you no longer need.